Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the repair safe and visible. Unplug everything and wait at least 5 minutes so capacitors settle. This reduces shock and shorts. Using a spudger and small Phillips, remove screws and carefully open the connector housing. This exposes the board and solder joints. Use a magnifier to inspect for corrosion, lifted pads, or broken pins because diagnosing first prevents wasted work. Once you see the damage, plan whether to reflow solder. Replace the jack or splice the cable. Now you execute the delicate middle steps where technique matters. Heat each solder joint just long enough to melt solder, then remove it with braid or a pump. Overheating lifts pads, so move quickly. If the jack is damaged, lift its mounting pads and install the replacement, aligning pins and rehabbing any torn traces with jumper wire if needed. When repairing the cable, strip 4/6 mm, tin conductors, and solder to correct pads. Add heat shrink and restore strain relief so the repair lasts. Finish by cleaning, securing, and verifying functionality. Use isopropyl alcohol to remove flux, then reflow any dull joints and inspect for solder bridges under magnification because hidden shorts cause failures. Reassemble the housing and ensure strain relief clamps the cable. This prevents reopening. Test charging first with the Macbook off, then booted. Look for steady charging indicator. If it still fails, measure continuity and voltage at the connector. Confirm wiring and polarity, and recheck suspect joints. Those diagnostics quickly reveal remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.